Welcome back. Trouble adds up for Tejpal. The victim girl in TEHELKA case has submitted audio recordings to the Goa police. It is a conversation of herself, Tejpal and SHOMA. Police considered it as a crucial evidence against Tejpal and SHOMA Chaudhary, as it is reportedly throws light on the attempt of a cover-up within the TEHELKA. As of now, SHOMA is prime witness in this case, but she may have trouble in view of this conversation tape. More evidence has come up against TEHELKA former editor-in-chief Prudent Tejpal in sexual assault case. The 23-year-old victim girl in TEHELKA case has submitted audio recordings to the Goa police. She has handed over the audio conversation between herself, Tejpal and SHOMA to the police for investigation. Sources inform that in the recording there was an attempt to convince her that internal action would be initiated against Prudent Tejpal and she should not make the issue public. Police consider it as crucial evidence against Tejpal. During the custodial interrogation, Prudent Tejpal had accepted the alleged misconduct, but he was continuously stating that his happened with victim's consent. But according to sources, the conversation defeats his claim. Meanwhile, Prudent Tejpal has been sent to Sada sub-jail. He is locked in a cell along with 7 other prisoners, of course, having a television set and a fan. Tejpal will now have to consume food served for the prisoners and not the delicious food from home. Tejpal is the Kaidi number 624 of Sada sub-jail. On Wednesday, Prudent Tejpal was remanded to judicial custody for more 12 days. Crime Branch stated that custodial interrogation is complete. Police are trying their best to file a charge sheet within a month in this case. Now, with the latest evidence of conversation on tape amongst the trio, Tejpal may face more problems. With Bureau Inputs, Mukesh Kumar for Prudent. South Goa District Congress Committee held a rally protesting against Parrikar-led government against the law and order situation. Congress leaders have demanded that the government should ensure safety of the people, reduce stamp duty and implement the Food Security Act.
की फाटल्या 18 महिन्यात हे सरकारान कशा पद्धतीन हांगसरल्या लोकांची कुचंबणा हांगसर लोकांची अडचणी वाडयल्यात ते मागीर टॅक्साच्या रुपान आसूये म्हारगायच्या रुपान आसूये किंवा त्यांची वेगळे वेगळे दुराचार जे आसात पण दुराचार हांव म्हणटा सरकाराची 1 किंवा 2 स्किमी बीजेपीन सुरू केल्ले आसात पण पयलींच्यो काँग्रेस सरकारान ज्यो स्किमी सुरू केल्ल्यो ताजो खंय पत्तोच ना सगळ्याच्यो सगळ्यो स्किमी जे आसात पळय न्ही ताजें नामकरण बदलपा खातीर म्हणात किंवा फंड ना म्हणून म्हणात हे सगळ्यो स्किमी जे आसा पळय हे न्हिदयल्ले आसात आणि स्वताचे 1-2 किंवा स्किमी सुरू केल्ले आसात हे स्किमी भितर डिस्क्रिमिनेशन काँग्रेसचे कार्यकर्ते किंवा काँग्रेसचे लोक जे कोण आसात तांकां सामके विचून काडून धुतले तारा विचून काडून कुशीन दवरप तर अशा प्रकारचे जुलूमशाही राज्य आसा पळय न्ही हे चलत येयल्ले आसा आणि म्हणून काँग्रेस कार्यकर्ते आज रस्त्यार येयल्ले आसात.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.